will be your honor for this day. So, our topic is all about
Tanawin din ninyo, ano?
what is language of reason. Can anyone language of research? For some understanding, the language of research can also mean by becoming familiar and acquainted with terminologies usually associated with conducting research studies. So let's proceed. Anyone who can read? So it means writing the things to create a vivid picture in readers' mind. It uses sensory detail and figurative language to describe a scene, character, or object, helping the reader to visualize and experience it. Narrative is the So in summary, narrative is a type of writing that tells a story. It includes elements like characters, plot, and setting, and can be fictional or based or on living events. Narratives are often structured with a beginning, middle, and end. Let us see is a story.
How? Hindi mo.
So expository means is writing that explains or informs. This style is used to convey facts, explain processes, or provide information and logically often without explanation. So persuasive means are writing intended to convince the reader to adopt a particular viewpoint.
Art incremental is a text that attempts to present or explain the issue. Give result and support this result, prove this point, and use or prove wrong the
The type of writing that presents a claim and supports it with evidence. So, argumentative is similar to persuasive writing, but it focuses more on logical arguments and counter arguments, often addressing opposition. This is an example of CMAL which shows comparison between two different things which have similar characteristics. This means coronavirus and thief in the night are different things, yet they can be noted with the same qualities. Device that conveys meaning or adds emphasis to non-literal language. Examples include metaphors, themas, and personification, which enhance writing by creating imaginative comparisons. Idiom is an expression that cannot be understood from the meaning of its individual words but has a separate meaning of its own. So, the examples of idiom, which is a piece of game. Its meaning is it is an easy task. So idiom means a phrase that has figurative meaning different from its literal meaning. Commonly used in everyday language, idioms convey specific cultural meanings, like kick the bucket, meaning to that. Refers to the language used by a particular group of people.
Example, if or habits or rules can be understood by lawyers, judge, and law experts. Meaning, it's a court order demanding that the public official delivered and reason individual to the court and show a valid reason for that reasoning in reason.
Specialized language used by a particular profession or group. Jargon includes terms and phrases that may be difficult for outsiders to understand, such as technical terminology in medical or law. Informal language used in everyday conversation. Colloquial language includes slang and regional expressions, making it relatable but often less formal than standard language. So example of slang. Habe in meaning is bad. Example is why isn't that so? In some meaning, slang informal language that often involves speaking and is used within specific social groups. Slang includes friendly words or phrases that may be not understood outside of certain demographics like culture. Research makes use of the formal, academic, and persuasive language to communicate discussion and present corresponding findings for variable studies. And in making life more useful and functional. The modern gadgets that use the medicine that give you us relief, the tools and equipment that make our lives easier are all products of researches conducted by professionals from various and its countries. And its outcome. A comprehensive survey of existing research and scholarly publications related to the work of research This review helps you understand the current state of knowledge, identify gaps in the literature, and establish the context for your research. Understanding of data and the ways in which systematically collect information and data. It means the systemic approach and method to be used to collect and analyze data to answer your research questions. This section outlines the research analysis and interpretation.
Also discuss arranging, analyzing, and what's
Analysis and interpretation means how you present, analyze, and interpret the data you collected. This involves organizing your findings using appropriate statistical or quality analysis techniques and drawing meaningful conclusions from data. You need to explain the significance of your findings and how they relate to your research problem and the existing research. Have summary, conclusion, and recommendations. Research and findings of some research study. Deals with ways of chronological conclusion from research findings and gives recommendation. The final section of your research paper where you summarize your key findings, draw conclusions based on your analysis, and offer recommendations for future research or study. This section should clearly and concisely communicate the main takeaways from your study, highlight in the simplification of your findings and suggest potential areas for further exploration or practication. Writing a research report, informative, descriptive, persuasive, and narrative types are used. General language means exactly what it says. It does not use figure of speech. Instead, it uses the actual meaning of words or phrases in their exact It is precise and often tells the reader exactly the point. Thus, the reader or listener does not have to do exactly. Moreover, literal language is often used in the field of science, logic, objectivity, and research. It is a kind of expression that can be translated to describe ideas precisely and clearly. When they want to get the right taken by way of matter.